Most car owners know they should always keep an eye on their vehicle when parked, so this article about the best rear view mirror camera 2021 is very important for them. However, this is easier said than done in the age of self-driving cars. We take a look at the best rear view mirror camera available in market today. A dash camera is a camera which you can mount to the dash of your car. It is becoming more common these days as thieves are involved in many crimes, and they might even take advantage of the camera system installed on some cars. When buying best rear view mirror camera 2021, keep these factors in mind. The backup camera system is very important, so you need to make sure that it can actually perform better than the one you currently have for your vehicle. Also, look at if this camera comes with any extra features, like zoom capabilities or digital video recording, Ultra HD, touchscreen, voice control, anti-glare, wide angle, full touchscreen, full HD, parking assist, etc. And most importantly, ensure that the quality is good enough so that when you use it, you do not have to look out from the blind spots of your vehicle. When people think about being safe in their cars, they often overlook the importance of car security tools which are designed to assist with this very purpose. Unfortunately for many drivers, however, these cameras can be a key tool in combating criminals as well as accidents, so they should be strongly considered. So now you have a new camera. The next step is the installation of that system into your car at once. If not, then speak with a professional installer to do this process for you. To fully understand how all types of camera systems are used, you have to take a look at the most common devices available on the market today. What are the best rear view mirror camera 2021? On Amazon, there are various types of rear view mirror dash cam you can purchase. The main purpose of these kinds of cameras is that they are supposed to give you more peace and interest when passing traffic or drivers on the road. These cameras can be found in different types, such as HD, HDG, and also FHD. It is important to keep in mind the type of lens you will need for your dash cam as well as how it actually works with its standard features. In most instances, once a camera has been installed onto one's vehicle model, there would be even more coverage by this particular device as there is a video/audio surveillance feature as well.